Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. So today we're going to be looking at two new models. Well, one of them's just a new colour. So we're going to be looking at the new Scrambler Full Throttle and the new colour of the Monster in Iceberg White. They're both about the same sort of money, so yeah, let's crack on with the video. Right, so we ain't done a monster video for ages, have we?
We haven't done a video for ages.
Yeah, we have.
What, unboxing?
Oh, unboxing, I suppose not.
We've done lots of fun videos.
Yeah, so we've actually got a few bikes turned up late in the day. We've got a couple of Scramblers there, but first we're going to do this one. Liam's taking photos of us.
That's for my own personal
Every time you're in a red t-shirt, I'm in a black. And every time I'm in a black, you're in a red. It's like you're watching me get dressed.
It does.
I can feel a little bit of rain in the air.
I can feel
Can
wetness. I can feel moisture.
Yeah, I can feel moisture in the air. So this is, like how you like your lettuces, Iceberg White.
Paul doesn't strike me as a lettuce man.
I've had lettuce before.
It's one of my worst foods, lettuce, if not the worst food.
Really?
Yeah.
Celery.
Oh,
Celery's the worst.
I've never had celery.
Oh, you don't
Right, so this is just the, this is not just the white bike. We're going to have a quick unboxing because we're late in the day and we've got 4 bikes to do. Yeah, so if you don't know the Monster, we have done loads of videos on the Monsters. There it is, look, Monster, Ducati. 166 kilos, isn't they? Do you know how much they are?
No.
How much do you reckon these are?
What, in weight?
No, in money.
I've no idea. I don't do the pricing, do I?
Well, it's probably the best value for money, yeah. Have a guess how much a Monster is.
Oh, 23 grand.
23 grand?
Wait, was it guess? You said guess?
Monsters from?
No, but a Monster. You must know how much these are.
I haven't got a clue. Should we give that bloke a hand?
They're 11,295.
Then they're a bargain.
They're a
'Cause
bargain.
you could get 2 for what I was offering.
Yeah. Right, so I think, yeah, in this video, we unbox the Monster and the Scrambler. We could do a double unboxing video.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Just wish it wasn't so late in the day.
Yeah, you don't like working this late in the day, do you?
I'm working. I've been watching Bob Ross's son,
Oh, yeah, I sent you a picture the other day. What's his name?
Steve Ross.
Steve Ross. I've never seen him before.
I've seen him before.
It's weird that they paint exactly the same pictures, though, isn't it? This is the white one, Nick. Iceberg White.
Yeah, I'm really intrigued to see it. Paul, you know what, you do it so good, Paul.
Oh look, someone's had the seat already.
We've got to get this bike built up.
Well,
Oh, look.
what do you reckon of that, Mark?
It's not too bad. That's funny that that's a gloss white, isn't it? We'll get this off of here, we'll get it built up, and then we'll have a look at it.
Yeah, it's all you.
It's all me, Mark, it's all me.
It's all you, mate. I'm going to give everyone a double bill. So we're going to do this and that Monster all together. They get to see 2 bikes all in one. It's a bonus video. Cody's going to build this up for us. So he's just got to put the mirrors on, blowing weights, take them off.
It's got a red seat.
What?
It's got a red seat.
Has it got a red seat as well, eh? Now, this is the Scrambler that I like. This is the Full Throttle. You'll like this one.
Will I?
Yeah.
What's that?
It's just nice, man. Rambler. It is a nice bike. You didn't see him at the show, did you?
I didn't, no.
You breezed past the Scramblers. Where was you? Straight to the KTM stand.
Straight to the bar.
Oh. I'll help. Look, I'll take this bit of cardboard out.
Well, mate.
Look at that, Paul. That's right, isn't
Right,
it?
they're nice, Nick.
I know they are.
These are the ones. What are these? 10995?
Yeah, got
They
Termi-
come with a quick shifter.
Termi on
The
there.
Termi
That's
end can.
standard.
Look, there's the Termi can. Oh, it's got a Scrambler written on there as well.
Looks right, doesn't it?
Yeah. So you haven't said anything YouTube you're watching at the minute, other than your pigs in blankets, whatever they're called. What are they called? Shouting for money or something?
Playing for change.
Playing for change.
Not shouting for money.
Liam, do you watch anything good on YouTube? What do you watch?
Guy that does a load of bike videos.
Yeah.
Does Ducati.
Not Project Moto.
No, Jarrett Campese. My favourite Ducati YouTuber.
Oh, is he really? What's so good? What's he do?
Oh, it's just the banter he has with all his
With all these people.
all his
I
people
see.
there.
I've seriously have not seen his videos, so I don't know.
He does he always does a little segment part way through where he they usually have a glass of something, like a glass of whiskey or something like that.
do they?
Part way through.
Do they really? Do they?
Yeah.
And why haven't you sorted
Why
that?
have we been making tea all this time?
I don't know.
Does he really do that?
He actually does, yeah.
What, like a tea talk?
Only like to show off something. They do like a little unboxing throughout it, and then they go, oh, and we're drinking this.
Oh, do they? For a minute there, I felt like I'd stolen something from somebody, but...
No, I think someone stole it from you, I think.
Oh, has he started doing it?
I reckon you started it.
Oh, right.
The old tea talk.
Oh, Oh, so someone's doing a whiskey talk.
Someone's doing a whiskey talk.
Oi, we'll start doing vodka talk or rum talk. Someone stole the tea talk and changed it into a whiskey talk.
Yeah, we drink heavily, all right?
Oh God, I didn't know that. I'm going to actually watch his videos and go back through his videos and see when he started doing it. You know what I'm like. If I see something that I've already seen, I don't do a video. If you're going to do something, just do it yourself, innit? Yeah, so I don't actually watch any bike videos on YouTube, to be honest. Music videos. What else do I watch? Oh, Joe Rogan, that's what I watch. Podcast. Why don't we start doing podcasts?
I don't know what podcast is. Is it any different to what we do?
No, we're
Well,
just
then.
not standing around, we can sit down.
Oh, I'll
Sit down. Basically what you do on a daily basis when you're not on camera.
Yeah, let's just do podcasts. Then I haven't got to hold this camera and everyone ain't got to moan that his camera's moving. We can get them microphones and headphones that people get.
Oh, we all look like pricks
What
then.
would you call it?
Tea talk. I
Tea
don't know.
talk. That would
Whiskey
be-
talk.
Tea Talk would be a good podcast name.
Let's do it. Let's do a podcast. We could sit on Lucy's sofa and do it.
We sit on Lucy's lap and do it.
You think we have Simon's racer mates down here, don't we, all the time?
Yeah.
That no one's ever heard of.
Yeah. Well, I have because I'm older and Simon's older.
No idea who
Where do
Terry
I start?
Reimer was.
Really?
How can you not know
I
Terry
never knew who
Reimer
he
was?
was.
Yeah, so we're going to do a podcast. What, shall I come round your house and do it?
Why around mine? What's the attraction?
Let's do a drunk podcast. Oh, you like gin, didn't you?
Texas tea.
Where's Nick going?
Hey, what are you doing?
Where you going?
He looks like your boat, doesn't he?
Start it up.
What's he doing?
Where is he going?
I don't know.
Is it really that easy to just leave here?
Yeah, well, where you
Why are
going?
we all here 9 hours a day?
Let's unwrap this. Let's do this. It is going to pour down in a minute. Look at that over there.
It is, isn't it?
Look at that.
Nice.
That's that one. That's nice.
That is a nice looking spot. I do like that.
As an actual, that's the best looking scrambler.
Even that,
The seat and the bit, yeah.
like the Turley's got that little red bit around it, which all of them have, but
Yeah, it's got
It
scrambler
works really
in
well,
it as
that.
well. Yeah,
I like
cool.
that.
We'll get that built. We'll have a look at both of these bikes together. Wicked. Cody, come on, man.
They come in crates.
Where you been?
I've had to pop out quick, Mark.
Where?
I've just done a quick domino swap off.
Oh. Where's he going? Right, so here they both are, fully built. Scrambler Full Throttle. Look at that, man. Really nice colours. We did just do a video on the Scrambler Icon and the Night Shift. So we're not going to ride these today because we've ridden all these bikes before, but this Scrambler, out of all of them, this is my favourite looking. It does look cool. With this you get the quick shifter already fitted. Comes with this nice seat, comes with the indicators, comes with the Terminoni exhaust can. That is only a end can, it's not a full system. It looks cool, man, that is nice. I just think it's like a really good looking bike, the Full Throttle. And the Monster in white, I mean look, over here someone's just pulled up. The SP Monster, they do look cool. But yeah, this in white is quite a funny white really. It's almost like a pearl, it's quite glossy, but it's like a pearly grey kind of white. Red seats, these are 200 quid more than a normal Monster. So really between these two bikes, there's 500 quid in it. Let's say that's 11 grand. That's 11.5 grand. Two very different bikes to ride. But yeah, they look awesome. Right, let's have a look. Right, while you two are having a water fight, can you just have a look at these? What do you think? Out of these.
Scrambler!
Nick, what would you have? Scrambler Monster?
I'd have to go for the Scrambler in this instance, Mark.
Would you?
If you're talking about
think-
looks, I would say the Scrambler.
Looks, I'm going to say the Scrambler. Ride, I'd have the Monster.
Yeah,
But it does look cool, doesn't it?
it looks really cool. I love this. I love this. I love the livery on it, Mark.
I like the
All
colour.
little touches, even like this here.
Yeah.
That's really
I
cool.
like this orangey sort of colour.
Yeah, I must admit, I didn't think I would say that, but
I think I'd probably prefer it. Not sure if it was a red Monster, I think it'd look nice.
yeah, this new white is
It's weird, isn't it? 'Cause it's almost grey sometimes.
yeah, in the pictures I don't think it does it justice and does it
It
does
does
in
look
life.
better in person. That is a.
And would you say the red seat goes with it, being white?
Yeah, I quite like a red seat. What would you have out of them two bikes?
Scrambler.
Scrambler?
Yeah.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks good. I like the red and the black.
For riding, that one. For looks, that one. I suppose there's lots of things in life that's like that, isn't it, Nick?
Yeah, some things look nice to look at and some things are nice to ride.
Yeah.
Some are growers, some are showers.
What about if they're neither?
I heard it's all in the hips.
Let's have a quick little sit on it.
Have a sit, Nick. And look how flat-footed you are.
Well, I'm practically flat-footed. Let's have a little sit on the monster quickly. See what the comfort. Oh, for comfort for me, Mark, I'm going to have to go with the Scrambler. If you're a little bit short in the leg like I am, although the Monster ain't too bad, I'm a little bit more tiptoey on the Monster.
What looks better?
In these colours, those two there, I've got to say the Scrambler.
Yeah, the Scrambler looks better, doesn't it? Like, considering there's 500 quid difference in them two bikes, what would you
I'd choose
choose?
500 quid more for the Monster.
Would you? Yeah, it's 500 quid more for the Monster in white. 300 quid more in Monster in red. All the other colours are 500 quid more. But if you had to buy one, I'd have to have a Monster.
I'd have to have a Monster.
Yeah, they're
As a
so
riding
good.
bike.
But for looks, I think that Scrambler, they've got it right with that, isn't they?
That's just they've got that perfect, that. Everything's right on it.
Well, so that's a quick look at the new Scrambler Full Throttle and the Monster in the new Iceberg White. We won't actually ride them today because we've done plenty of ride videos on Scramblers and Monsters, so if you've not seen them, go to the channel and check them out. Looking at both these bikes, this new Full Throttle is probably my favourite looking Scrambler they've ever done. But yeah, considering there's 500 quid difference in these two bikes, I suppose it just depends what you want out of a bike really. They're both awesome bikes to ride. Someone commented on a video the other day about Ducati absolutely smashing it at the moment with their bikes. I mean, literally across the range they are making such awesome bikes at the moment. But as always guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. If this is the kind of thing you're into, all things bikes, then maybe think about hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks very much for watching. You what? What milk do you drink then?
Oat milk.
Oh, so what out there? You what?
Oh, yeah.
You what?
Oh,
I'm never in the flow. Everyone's in red today and I'm not.
stop.
I'm in the middle, this is me like a sandwich.
Yeah. I've got to make tea, you stay there. Right, so, hold on, Paul's been given something.
I've been given a gift.
Look, I think it's to go with his pigeon.
I've been given a gift by someone, we won't mention his name because
Full plate.
but it's handy.
Hold on, feed it. You feed it. What do you think it is?
That was great, it's like Christmas.
What do you think it is? Alright, stop dribbling.
Could be
I
like,
think it's a vibrator.
yeah,
Girth to it.
Feels like, it could be like corn on the cob.
it's kind of squidgy.
It's been out all day.
Here we go, here we
What's
go.
it got? What is it? I'm going to say sausage, you're saying. Could be anything.
It says ribbed for your pleasure. I know what it is.
What?
Sausage.
Some sort of soup.
Sausage. You're going to take it home, ain't you? Don't open it.
Why?
What, you're going to eat some?
What else am I going to do?
What, just like that?
Yeah, I'll use a butter knife. That ain't going to open it.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, look at this sausage.
Oh, look at that.
It's
Alright.
a bit mouldy.
Yeah. Stay away from that sausage, Libby.
Use this mesh afterwards.
That's what
What,
you look like
after what?
afterwards.
Are you going to have a nibble?
No,
Cut a bit off.
it's not a bit of me, that one.
Oh my god. What's it, rubber?
Dog toy.
Go on. Cut it open
We
then.
need a sharp knife.
Cut it open. Yeah, Cody.
Oh, you've got a sharp knife on you, you've got every other implement.
Can I have a thin slice?
This is, you want me to do a thin slice? I'm taking the mick off. Can't even do it.
I'd like a sliver, please.
We're not eating
Like-
this today, are we?
What are you done with it?
Yeah, pull that bit off, you can have that. Come on.
I ain't going near that.
Libby, can you just bite the tip of that off, please? Cut that last bit off. Looks like you looks like you've injured an animal. Cut it, will you? Stop playing with it. What are you doing?
That's your bit.
Right, no, cut me a slice
Oh,
off.
shut
Cut
up.
me a slice off
I'm
the
not,
end.
look,
Can I actually go and get a proper knife?
we've got a reciprocating saw out there.
Hold
Oh,
on.
you pull that bit back
So,
as well,
whoa,
do you?
whoa, whoa, whoa. I think it's ready to eat, isn't it?
But it's all in French, I don't know.
That's ready, that's ready. Are you going to eat it? I'm going to eat it a little bit.
It's good. It's good.
Well, it's garlicky or something, isn't it? Have a sniff of that. Sniff that.
It actually stinks.
One of
Smells like chlorine. Smells like swimming pools.
I know, I've got a mouthful of
No,
it. Don't stick it in
what
your
it tastes
face.
like is not what it smells like.
That's not like swimming pool.
Doesn't it?
Smell that now, look, that does smell like a swimming pool.
I don't like this. I'll tell you what,
Thanks
do.
for the
I'll please
sausage
everyone. I'll
and
keep it in our fridge, shall I?
I'm going to call you Sausage Surprise from now on.
Thank
That's
you.
it.
Sausage surprise.
That's the best name you've ever been called, isn't it?
Yeah.
Cody, want fancy a bit of sausage?
Libby's going to call me
Smelly
sausage
sausage.
surprise.
Well, your other one's Black Horse.
Hold on, but you've got to smell it first. That sausage was one hell of a kick. Libby liked it.
I've got a bit of sausage for you.
Lovely, just what I wanted. I hope it doesn't smell.
That's the problem.